How are you all? I hope all are doing good. So, in today's video, I am going to teach you what is an network. What is a network? A computer network is a collection of computers and peripheral devices connected through a data communication system. So basically a computer system is a collection of all the different type of computers and laptops, mobiles and other all devices. So it is connected through a data communication system. Okay, so you know this fact? Okay, so it'll boost your knowledge. So it's called as knowledge booster. Connectivity of computer network can be wireless or wired. Means it's saying that connectivity of computer networks can be with wire or without wire. It's without wire also it will come. So some are wired or wireless. So guys, in today's video, we have learned what is a network. I hope this video is helpful to you. If it's helpful, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and bye guys.